had a great day.
Why is it so quiet?
Dad? Mom?
Something felt wrong.
What's going on? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Dad stayed very quiet. Nobody is talking.
This feels strange. I don't like this.
Good night.
Mom looked upset.
Why are they acting this way? Something is wrong. We were so happy.
Tom missed those happy times.
That was a fun day. I want my family back. Emma, look at this.
Remember this day?
Everyone was happy. What can we do? I have an idea. Ha! Let's make something special! Tom worked very hard. I'm adding hearts. This will help. It's beautiful. Now we wait. Do you think it will work?
What's this? Oh my. Mom felt emotional.
What are you looking at?
Look at this.
The kids made this.
Please work.
They thought about the message.
Can we talk?
Yes. Input J.
Heavenly, I was hurt.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
They're talking.
The problem was getting smaller.
Mom? Dad?
We're together again.
Talking and listening can solve problems.